Islamic Center of Shepparton.
Thank you, Father Jackson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين لله شهداء بالقسط ولا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم على ألا تعدلوا اعدلوا هو أقرب للتقوى واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون. الله أكبر. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم من إملاق نحن نرزقكم وإياهم ولا تقربوا الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تعقلون. الله أكبر. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا تفسدوا في الأرض بعد إصلاحها ودعوه خوفا وطمعا إن رحمة الله قريب من المحسنين. الله أكبر. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. صدق الله العظيم. Dear religious clergy, dear political representatives, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear community leaders, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all. Do you remember the lessons you received when you were little? From your parents, or from teachers, or from religious leaders, who explain to you what happens when a person leaves God and His way. Today we understand that leaving God's way, staying away from religion, does not bring anything good. Staying connected to God builds a peaceful person and a peaceful society which we need a lot today. Islam has been is and will remain the greatest supporter of peace, against aggression, against violence, against extremism, against any type of terrorism, and against any type of oppression. The verses that I recited a little while ago in Arabic speak about this. In the name of God, the gracious and merciful, O you who believe, be upright to God, witnessing with justice, and let not the hatred of a certain people prevent you from acting justly. Adhere to justice, for that is near to piety, and fear God. God is informed of what you do. Say, come, let me tell you what your Lord has commanded you, that you associate nothing with him, that you honor your parents, that you do not kill your children because of poverty. We provide for you and for them, that you do not come near indecencies, whether outward or inward, and that you do not kill the soul which God has sanctified, except in the course of justice. All this he has enjoined upon you, so that you may understand. And do not corrupt on earth after its reformation, and pray to him with fear and hope. Allah's mercy is close to the doers of good. The believers are brothers, so reconcile between your brothers, and remain conscious of God, so that you may receive mercy. O people, we created you from male and female, and we made you races and tribes, so that you may know one another. The best among you is in the sight of God, is the most righteous. God is all-knowing, well-experienced. This and many other Quranic verses teach us that we should be peaceful, kind to others, and treat people with respect. One day they asked the Messenger of God, Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, who is a good Muslim? And he said, a good Muslim is one who makes others around him feel safe and at peace by his word and hand. Let's pray tonight that Allah will shower his mercy on us, peace in our hearts and to all people everywhere in the world, to give people the light and strength to reason, have mercy on each other, and treat each other according to his teachings with love, safety, and respect. Thank you all for listening. I thank our Christian brothers and sisters for organizing this venue for tonight. Peace and blessings be upon you all. Thank you.